this petitioner previously worked in Kendriya Vidyalaya Garden Reach, my lord. Now, my lord, your lordship has already come up with, your lordship has already decided a similar type of issue, but is sending it back to the commission.
What is it?
This was passed
14.
prior to declaration of the result. Yesterday, I have dismissed matters.
17.
My lord, this is with regard to Kendriya Vidyalaya. My lord, in Kendriya Vidyalaya, there is no such point of substantive post, because in Kendriya Vidyalaya, my lord, there is always engagement against the substantive post. I have annexed the appointment, joining, everything. That is at page 25 to 27. My lord, this is only for consideration. My lord, your lordship has sent for consideration.
How long? There has to be a cut-off date within which they can consider. Otherwise, if every day one matter is passed, when will they do their work? How will the recruitment process come to an end?
My lord, I believe that orders already passed in similar type of matters, my lord, has not been decided by the commission as on date. So, my lord, if this can be also been considered by the,
It will be sent in the pool. And then from the pool to the
my
dustbin.
lord, in the options, my lord, in the online application form, my lord, there was no option to put.
Why did you not come earlier?
Well, that's true, but the admission of the commission is that with regard to Kendriya Vidyalaya, Navodaya, and Malviya, those schools which runs by the central government, my lord, they will award marks. This was the admission before the division bench also, my lord.
Yes, yes. It was the admission, but I don't know what will be the stand of the commission.
The commission stand is that if a continuous service is there, 1 year complete, there they are getting the number. But if it is not there, they will not get it.
How
And
will you consider the case of the petitioner?
no, he is not entitled to. Kindly come to page 25.
25.
Hmm.
Yes.
Kindly see period 1st April 23 to 7/12/23. There is not a 1 year.
Not even a year.
Thereafter, next
even a-
next page.
Ah, 1 minute.
Now let's see 1st April 22 to 28 February 2023.
Yes, this is more than 1 year. This is how runs.
But this is the only allowed to ask to argue, not only you argue.
Is it more than 1 year?
Yes,
No,
1 year, 7 months.
1st April 22 to 28 February 23.
Where is 1 year, 7 months?
My lord, this is from
Not even a 1 year.
Not even a year.
Not even a year.
my lord, previous page, my lord. 1st April 2022, my lord, page 26. This is the first experience certificate, page 26.
Yes.
Then
1st April 2022 to 28th February 2023.
Not even a year.
not
Well,
even a year.
thereafter, my lord, continuation. My lord, in the Kendriya Vidyalaya, my lord,
My lord,
the contractual service runs with this, my lord. My lord, 11 months contract. And I have annexed the appointment also. My lord, kindly see page 27.
Yes.
This is purely on the contractual basis. In the all Kendriya Vidyalaya and all Navodaya, my lord, always these 11 months term will be calculated, my lord.
No, my lord, we are my lord, your lordships have directed us in other matters to consider. We have rejected that cases. Because fragmentation is not done.
My lord, that
Lord, if
rejection
it
has
is a-
not come out yet, my lord. We do not know, my lord.
No, but then I am not willing
Because in
to
Shiksha Ghosh matter, they have awarded marks. I can show before your lordship, my lord. Pursuant to this honorable court order, in Shiksha Ghosh
My lord,
matter,
your
my lord, they have awarded marks.
lordships have passed the orders on 17 November 2025. Order has not yet been uploaded in the two petitions. Jawan Navodaya and the
Was
same
it,
dismissed.
yesterday it was
No.
passed.
17th. 17th.
The 17th is
My lord, that my lord, already it is lordship knows my lord, the
perhaps, my lord, that pertains to, my lord, schools runs by state government, my lord, where
No,
TI
Navodaya
was not there.
school. It's Navodaya I have dismissed.
My lord, may I come back
These are the
tomorrow
two matters.
with my lord,
In
appropriate
matter
proof
judgment.
showing that in case of Navodaya and Kendriya Vidyalaya, they have awarded marks, my lord.
Provided the service is continuous and in a
My
substantive
lord, in
post.
all cases, my lord, this is 11 months continuation. Well, I can show, my lord, kindly allow me, my lord, I can file supplementary affidavit also.
My lord,
My lord, showing all the, my lord.
Yes, you file
if-
supplement 1, 2, 4 and come. I'll
No.
post it next year.
No, with regard to the other candidates, my lord, who are similarly situated, who have been
let
awarded
them make
marks.
party. Let them make party and come.
If you take examples, then lot of things will come. But then, since you are coming at such delayed point of time, I am not willing to
Let them
pass any
consider, but
order.
at that point, maybe considered by them. My lord. Kindly, my lord, send it back to the commission. My lord. Let them.
Why will you give this much of hope to your client when you know that the answer is a rejection?
No, certainly not. But because the
But
rejection has not come at, my lord, in Shirsa course,
still says it's rejected.
my lord, the first order
No, we have
passed
said
by this
rejected.
Honorable High Court is that it's Shirsa course matter.
Time?
My lord, to file supplementary affidavit showing that
No.
in similar cases they have awarded marks.
If you want adjournment, I'll adjourn. Please come. দেখুন তো সার্ভার হয়নি।
No, this is two matters have not been.
Well, I have handed over. Your lordship
given
passed in
it
the
up.
next week. Last week, my lord, your lordship has been pleased to pass an order. I have handed over just.
Send
No,
to server
that
and
is
we put up in the
our-
server shortly.
No problem.
Mehdi Hassan's madam, last week your lordship passed order, my lord.
That's
Had you come up before the declaration of results, Navodaya would have allowed. Moment the result is declared, circumstances change. Do you get it? কি বললাম? The petitioner participated in the second SLST stuff. She is a contractual teacher in the Kendriya Vidyalaya. Stuff. She seeks marks on account of prior teaching experience.
Yes.
Stuff. The result of the written examination of the recruitment has already been declared. Stop. At this stage, whether the petitioner's application seeking marks on prior teaching experience can be considered or not by the commission is doubtful. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner seeks time to revert with further instruction. Stop. On such prayer, released on next Wednesday.
instead of 26 minutes, can it be on 25th or 27th?
25th.
Kindly take it about
Service is taken
27.
on record.
27th, I have no difficulties. I have no difficulties.
27th.
I'm deeply honest.
His service.
ঠিক আছে আমাদের
My lord, this is also regarding award of marks, but my cause of action arose as soon as the result was published. What happened, my lord? Kindly comes to the notification once. Page, my lord. This 41.
Yes.
41 is schedule 2A to B, prior teaching experience. It says at the secondary level in government aided or government sponsored school, calculated on the basis of 2 marks for each year for service in substantive port as permanent or contractual basis. I had no case, my lord. Fact. I went to the commission. I said from 2010, I am working as a part-time teacher, whether I am entitled to get that particular benefit or not. Commission clearly stated, no, you are not entitled to get. I had no case. But when the result was published, my lord, I got to see some person and their numbers. My kindly comes to page number 54. Serial number 91. Bishwajit Barik. And my lord, page number 55 is Manoj Kumar Jana. These two person are working in the same situation. They are part-time workers. They are vocational workers, vocational teachers at the part-time school. Like me, they have been awarded polling duty. They have been awarded to see the examination of HS. Kindly sees my credential, my lord. Kindly comes to page number 15. 15. It's a document from IOMS portal, my lord.
Yes.
I joined +2 level on 9/9/2010. Remuneration details, right-hand side, my lord. Subsequently, from next pages, my joining letters, 17. 18 is no objection certificate. Time to time, I was given different duties, my lord. Kindly comes to page number 27. I was giving election duties. And page number 30. I was also given responsibility of C marks answer script
So your
of class 12.
allegation is that the others are given
Yes,
the
ma'am.
marks where you-
I had no case at that point of at the time
Alright.
the result was published. I saw some of my friends have been called. If 10 marks was allotted to me, I am crossing the cutoff mark. My number, my lord, page 53. I got 58. Cutoff is 68. If 10 marks was allotted, I am crossing the cutoff mark and I am entitled to be called for verification.
Alright, yes.
But firstly, these are all averments, not based on any facts. Then if he is making in certain allegations against any persons, he has to be made party.
No,
not
he is
making
not
allegation.
making allegation. He is making allegation against you.
No, this is wholly incorrect.
Alright.
Correct.
So
Lord,
this pay
I'm
91, serial
Just-
number 91,
Lord,
Vishwajit
can you
Bhai.
see now? Just Lord, this is a circular.
Yes.
Lord, we call for everyone in interview on the basis of the information given in their application. Correct. If anything
Later on, you
only at the time of verification, kindly see this. If
not yet verified.
I don't know, verification process is going on.
This process is going on.
That's the process.
Very well. Now, this candidate who says is similarly placed doesn't get a chance to participate in the interview. But this person, maybe, if his allegation is correct,
Then
standing in the
then
same
Lord,
boat,
if his allegations are correct, then the candidature will be cancelled of these two persons.
this is the thing.
That's Milord, your lordships can do. Milord, kindly just can I permit to say, Milord, adjourn it up to first week of December.
All right.
In the meantime, I will also check up.
All right. Please
Let
come.
them
And
come.
if it is correct, their candidature will be cancelled.
All right. Please come.
Simple.
In either or case, my lord, let my
Okay.
learned senior friend, we come with one report, my lord, whether what happened to those person.
Report or
yes.
making a submission, that's the same
You
thing.
can make submission also,
can
it
make
can
a
be recorded.
No, I will check up at the time of
Yes.
verification. If he is correct, their candidature. Milord, I can assure you, lordships, one thing, just since your lordships taking up the matter. Even before the Supreme Court, that the Vivek Parias matters sometimes may be missed because of the some informations which are not correct. But at the time of verification, if one cannot establish his certificate and etc., they will be cancelled. Anyone.
And in the meantime, my lord, if the proceeding
time-
process
His candidature will be cancelled. You will not get it.
A
No
government
negative
school.
application of Article 14.
He participated in the second SLST. Stuff. He alleges that similarly placed candidates working in working as part-time teachers in government schools have been awarded marks on account of prior teaching experience. Stuff. The petitioner submits that if the marks on account of prior teaching experience are awarded to one Bishwajit Barik, serial number 91,
English PG.
English PG. Where is that?
English postgraduate.
Where is that?
91
Acha,
top.
in the subject English PG. Annexed at page 54 of the writ petition. And one Manoj Kumar Jana, chemistry PG. Annexed at page 55 of the writ petition. কি বললাম? Is allotted to them.
As a
Then
part-time teacher.
part-time.
Right.
Then the petitioner may also be provided the same benefit. ঠিক আছে? The commission intends to revert with proper instruction released on 2nd of December.
Yes.
2nd? 2nd December.
Grateful loss.
Service is taken on record. Next. 14. Yes.
এটা কোনটা? এটা কি বলছো? তো আমরা কি বলছি?
This incumbent, my lord, has sat for the examination and now she challenges, my lord, on two score. One, my lord, the answer key contains, my lord, the specimen number or the specific option the petitioner alleges that is wrong. One. And second, my lord, she says,
Which answer key? The preliminary or the final one?
final, my lord, which has
Final
been
is wrong.
finally on 8th. So, and second, my lord,
Preliminary, it was proper.
my lord, finally, my lord, there was a finally, my lord, what happens here? I'm just coming to that, man. I'm just coming to that. But second, my lord, allegation of the petitioner is, my lord, one of the question is out of the syllabus.
The written examination took place.
10 marks also.
My lord, but
No,
in
he has-
now, but in this stage, my lord, I indicate two things, my lord. One is that, my lord,
2 applications have been filed,
Yes, my
yes,
lord.
but I
No,
got
no,
one my application addition of,
and the other is yours for addition of party.
Yes.
but I got one can application that 10 marks issue on 28, my lord. I did not open my mouth about the 10 marks on 28, my lord. Regarding, my lord, the interview list, my lord, there are some candidate
Interview list.
Yes.
All right. Some candidates.
attempted
All right.
What?
publish, they are in the tented list published by the
Commission.
commission. My lord, kindly turn page number 58.
Yes.
This interview list, one Nitish Ranjan Bormon,
Serial number
serial number 14.
14.
This is interview list. Now, my lord, very next page, that is tented list, serial number 958, Nitish Ranjan Bormon, in tented list.
1 minute list of all candidates as per. This is the list of tainted
Tented
candidates.
candidate list, because this is a bulky list, so that's why, my lord,
Alright.
the relevant page and the in the above, my lord, there is
Where
mentioned
is his name?
page number 958.
958.
Yes, my lord.
And is this the same person?
Yes, my lord. That's my queries, my lord.
Whether
That's
it's
why-
the same person
yes,
or
madam.
not.
Number very next page, my lord, kindly, I will make thereafter, my lord, the appropriate submission, my lord. Why, when, what, in this interregnum period, what is my prayer?
Because see, the roll number is
Yes,
different.
because of that is tented list roll number is the in pursuance of 2016 selection process. And this page number 58 in pursuance of second SLST 2025. So how could I identify?
All right.
My senior,
Yes.
Sir,
Milord, he has given some instances, Milord, admittedly, Milord, this election process that is made to be vitiated from day one. They could not have, Milord, allowed these persons to appear, apart from other issues which are pending. And this can only be, Milord, done if, Milord, the Weimar sheets with all details, particulars are published. We can then find out how many, Milord, tainted people have been allowed to participate.
Done.
Published for a
Well, these are all short submission.
This is one candidate you found out. There are others also.
No, Milord, I have given series from 58, then kindly turn to next page.
So you've got quite a few.
Quite a few, and many other would be definitely revealed, subject to, Milord, the publication of Weimar sheets giving details so that we can compare.
All right.
But we have no other means, Milord, to go into the detail and compare. Whatever has come out, we have given it.
Yes, your
Yes, madam.
submission.
Kindly come to paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14. They have given the name. First
Alright.
is one Nitish Ranjan Bormon,
Hmm.
tainted, but physically handicapped. Supreme Court has protected him.
No.
Please, let me finish.
बोलते रहो.
I will, next Miller, Devlina Mondal. This spelling is not correct. Therefore, I can't say what is the answer. Next is Narayan Chandra Pal. This is physically handicapped. According to us, Supreme Court has protected. If a lordship said, "No, don't give him, we will not. Jayanto Abedin, Joynal Abedin spelling is not correct. These are the 4 instances have been given. 4 instances, my lord, I have taken the instruction. Now, my lord, kindly see the Supreme Court judgment.
Page.
Paragraph, no, just kindly give me one. My lord, kindly come to paragraph. Page 48, page 40 kindly come of the judgment. Paragraph 14, can I see? Lastly, we address the case of the disabled candidates. Our attention has been drawn to one such case where the impugned judgment held that the appointee, Mrs. Shoma Das, shall be allowed to continue on humanitarian grounds. While we will not interfere with the findings, we make it clear that other differently able candidates will not be entitled to same benefit as would contradict legal principles and the rule of law. However, in consideration of their disability, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection processes appointed are completed. These disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the fresh selection process if required with age relaxation and other concession. Similarly, other candidates who are not specifically sworn. Therefore, these disabled candidates will not in terms of the for paragraph 48 and 49, they have been giving chance. Otherwise, they will
So 1 minute. The disabled candidates mentioned in the previous paragraph will be allowed to participate in the
fresh
fresh,
selection process.
if required. Other
If required,
candidates
age
who are
relaxation
not
and other concessions.
specifically tainted
Yes.
No, no, no.
is
And with age relaxation and other concessions. These disabled candidates mentioned
other concession means you want the tainted candidates to
if he is
be
disabled, if he is only disabled, according to our
disabled tainted candidates.
yes, yes.
This is the concession that you are giving.
Yeah, not in terms of the Supreme Court judgment, I am not giving. I am not giving. This is Supreme Court judgment.
What type of concession? Age relaxation.
This is Supreme Court judgment. I have nothing to do.
Age relaxation.
That Supreme Court has given it.
Yes,
Yes.
but not to the tainted ones.
My lord, this is includes that. Includes
What
that.
it includes?
Includes that, my lord. However, in consideration of the disability, kindly read paragraph 48.
Yes.
Yes, these candidates will be permitted to continue and will receive wages until the fresh selection process appointed are completed.
So
This
the
is-
tainted candidates who are there will continue till the fresh selection process. How can you permit them to participate?
Kindly next, this disabled mentioned previously will be allowed to participate in the
Disabled
fresh selection.
tainted
No, no,
candidates.
according to our reading, this is there. That is the
See,
reason. We have-
the next line
The losses hold it, I will cancel.
specifically
If your losses-
candidates who are not
If your losses hold
specifically
that,
tainted.
if your losses hold that, we'll cancel. We have nothing to do. We have to carry out the orders of the court.
That
It is-
means you say that you are aware that they are in the tainted list, but only because of the fact that they are physically handicapped. you are
That's
not
right,
letting them
exactly.
to come.
I am saying so in terms of paragraph 46 and 47.
All right.
Reading of my judgment is this.
All right, I get it.
Now, my lord, kindly
Reading
see-
of the judgment is same.
Well,
Reading of my.
Well, I have only one because as far as I am concerned,
Who are you? You are also physically handicapped.
no,
Then-
that's why I
But
wanted to-
so far other players is concerned, that's why he is asking for a roving inquiry. That's not permissible.
well, as far as this concerns, I am not affected.
Not affected.
So I don't want to make any
You are not
because
physically.
I am an untainted. I also want it should be only for the untainted.
Yes.
Now regarding paragraph 48, I restrain to say anything because that is not, I am not supposed to say anything on that because I am not for the disabled in this case. Since there are other prayers which affects me, so that's why my application.
Other prayers means
The
submission is
10
that
marks, there are many prayers.
10 marks is the main issue.
Well, they fundamental issue 10 marks.
no, that today it is not canvassed.
Correct.
And at the very beginning it was said that 28 whatever will
The
happen.
canvassing we understand only when it is canvassed.
Yes.
Prior to that, we understand only from the
The
prayer.
repetition.
The
yes.
prayer is
Many.
yes, that's the main.
I
But
understand.
if it is restricted to the disabled,
Today, the submission is only
Yes,
this,
then I-
and
When you see in the subsequent Milord order of the Honorable Supreme Court, and Mr. Bandyopadhyay had made a very frank statement.
Yes, yes, I am saying so.